It's embarrassing how confused I am right now. I never thought that out of everything I've ever done and know how to do, that this steering wheel would just blow my mind.
Out here today in the shop, we just want to go ahead and let everybody know what we're doing.
What are we doing, babe?
Oh, something's on fire.
I told you it stinks in here.
It smells like dead rat.
It smells really bad.
We're extending this frame about 4 foot from here.
4 foot. And whose truck is this, Blake?
This is another water hauler competitor.
We're building trucks for our competitors now. All right, so we're gonna be stretching this frame. I am gonna be working on kitchen cut. There's Big Blue in the back. I'm gonna be working on kitchen cut because I don't feel like doing this. Blake got him a new jack from old Harbor Freight.
My birthday present.
That's that's a Stender reach, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a low profile long reach. That's what they call me.
They call you long reach?
Yeah, low profile.
You want me to handle that or?
Not really.
All right, I'm gonna be pulling the steering wheel today. I've never done it before. Look how big this thing is. Gotta be like 20 something inches, huge, way too big, super uncomfortable to drive. So I'm gonna pull it, never done it before. Look at the size of that thing. It's so ugly. When you're turning, it's like, takes forever to get it going. Okay, so first things first, got the wheels straight. Obviously, this was not put on very well or something when I realigned it, or I don't know, but that is not straight, so we're gonna get it straight. Here's the new one. It's 18 inches and it's gonna look so much better. So we got this steering wheel puller, and I'm assuming you just put that in and then put the little nuts on, and then it pulls it off evenly so it doesn't get in a bind. All right. I got some left for later. You never take it all at once. Never take it all at once. You get that little afternoon booster if you save some. I got the little cap off, and I have no idea what I'm looking at because there's no like bolts or nothing. Oh, just kidding. I see. Look. See that guy in there? But this, I feel like, should come off as well, because see those nuts in there? How do I get this part off? All of our trucks, except for the Big Blue one, have always had nice steering wheels in them. So we never really took it out. We did a green truck and we took the steering wheel out and I painted it the green to match, but Blake took it out, I'm pretty sure. And then the blue truck, Blake and Fro did. So yeah, I've never done this before. And I'm gonna try and do it without asking Blake any questions. Okay, I failed. I'm on a mission to find Blake. I don't know where he is. I just need a hint. Just a little hint. I found him. I was
pooping. Why did I have my little jingling was
Hey,
out?
so I just need like a little hint. Don't tell me everything. I just want one little tiny hint.
Okay.
So I popped that thing off that says
You gotta pull the
Peterbilt.
steering wheel off before put the next one on.
I know, but there's a metal piece covering all the little things. And I tried twisting the thing off, the black thing that holds the honker. But the metal piece is covering it all.
So what are you gonna do?
Does that twist off the black
I don't
thing?
know. If I tell you, I might as well do it.
Okay, I'll just YouTube it. Okay, he started to tell me, but I told him to stop because I want to do this by myself. So we don't need this piece. So I don't really need to know how to do it. I'm just gonna break it. Here's my plan. I'm just gonna stick a screwdriver in here and I'm gonna break this piece out and then I can get into whatever I need. I have a feeling that this twists off, but these little fingers ain't gonna make that happen. Oh, I got it. This piece just pops out, y'all. I was so excited I got that off and now I'm like, okay, next step. I never thought that out of everything I've ever done and know how to do, that this steering wheel would just blow my mind. You know, they just need my help with everything. We're fixing to roll this axle. What am I doing?
Pulling it back.
Okay. I don't think y'all really need it. It's just rolling. Look at y'all. Watch out, Lily Bean. It's getting stiff. Okay. Give us an update on what y'all have accomplished so far while I've gotten nothing done.
Update is the axle's out.
Because of the fan.
We got our wind turbine on.
Yes, it's so annoying.
Now we're about to cut this off and go longer. What do you think, Big Blue?
Damn, where'd your blue shirt go?
It was too wet.
All right, so here's what I'm thinking. I think this goes in here, and then these go in these sides in here. I think I gotta take this nut off, and then it just like, when you tighten it, it pushes it off even. It's embarrassing how confused I am right now. All right, so I got the nut off. I tried with a ratchet, but I ended up having to get my impact because it was too tight. Okay, let's see if I can get this. The back glass is so dirty that I can't get my suction cup thing to stick to it because, like I said, this nasty guy smoked in here. So we're just gonna have to try it from this angle. Not the best because y'all can't really see what I'm doing, but I'll show you. I think this guy, this goes in here like this. And pushes on the center beam, or on the center stud, I guess. I need to get a drill for this. Okay, so it's touching there. My suction cup is pissed. It's not working. Okay, so then I'm thinking it's probably like this size. Yep, that is correct. So I'm thinking that you put it in like with washers, maybe like that. Like this. Scoop me another one of these guys. Like that. Put it in these holes. Like so. Okay, let me go get some sockets for this. Oh. All right, I got it. Let's tighten it up. Here's the moment of truth. I got my socket. Let's see if this works. I did it backwards. So I gotta fuck. I did it backwards, so now I gotta retighten these. Dang it! This is so hard. So we want to tighten it. I'm scared. I don't want to break it. I don't feel like it's, ooh, it stinks. I don't feel like nothing is moving. Oh, I got it. I got it. It's loose. Yes, I got it. Here's the old one. It stinks. I don't know. Ugh, I don't know why that stinks, but it smells horrible. Here they are side by side. See how much better that looks? All right, let's get this new one slid on here. Let's see. Oh, looks so much better. Okay, I got the new steering wheel slid on, the nut on, so I'm gonna tighten it up now. Now that I know how to do this, I could probably change one of these out in like less than 30 minutes, but for never doing it, you gotta figure it out, right? Now I'm hooking up the wire for the horn. Then this side's on here, just like that. Oh, it looks so much better, you guys. Let's see if I can get this on here. Ah, yes, guys. Okay, I got it done. What do you think? Go inspect.
Looks good.
I wiggled and wobbled it.
Forgot to put the bottom piece on.
What bottom piece?
I'm just gonna say
Oh my god, don't do that.
you can take this steering wheel apart,
Okay.
and you can put the other blue steering wheel in the other little blue truck.
Oh, okay, because we need this piece, ain't it?
Yeah, that little hub thing.
The only problem is, oh, you can take it off from the back, right?
Mm-hmm. You just take them little screws up.
Well, those are pressed in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
Oh, we'll just cut them off.
Okay, I'll do it.
No, don't do it right now.
Yeah, look at me go, guys. Look at it.
Alright, I'm gonna get back on it.
Okay. Beautiful. All right, that was a total success. Now I'm gonna come bother the boys and see,
Hey, bother.
yeah, Bother and Betty. I'm gonna see how I can get in their way. Look, they got the frame cut because we're gonna stretch it. They've done all like the boring part, so I'm gonna jump in now that it's gonna be fun. I hate like the job prepping, and now that it's prepped,
How far is that handle off of there?
let's stretch a truck.